We're walking back down to the creek again because we've had some good luck here. So let's see what we can catch. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Just caught this chunky largemouth bass. Let's get a release on him.
See you, bud.
There she goes.
We moved on to this area of the creek because we didn't have any luck at the dam, but seems to be having luck so far. Just caught this nice pike. It was on little rooster tail. It's my first pike ever.
There's bass on this shad right here.
The spot's working magic.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.